In this video, we're going to be looking at explosive ankling. So rather than working the knee to raise the foot up past the ankle, we're going to keep the leg straight, which makes this drill far more plyometric. It's similar to a scissor kick drill that we'll see later in the course. All that's going to happen in this good posture, chest up, is leg comes forward slightly, looking from the side. I'm not bringing it all the way forwards like we would during a scissor kick. It's forward slightly to raise it off the floor and coming down. So it's instilling that contact point and that short, explosive ground contact time. So we're building ankle rigidity. So from there, opposite arm to opposite foot, and it's just going to work like so. But it's going to be far more plyometric, bouncy in nature. From here, so we're really working the ankles, toes up towards the shins. So let's take a quick look at this drill in an outdoor setting.